How to send large files on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on any of the profiles over here. I'm going to select on a particular profile over here, and as you have selected it, what you can do in order to send the large files is tap on the attach file option at the bottom right corner of the screen onto the message box. Now simply select on the file option, and as you tap on the file option, tap on allow. So select on settings and just tap on app permissions and give access to all of these options over here, like files and media, microphone, and then tap on your phone as well. So give access to all of those options for now. Then go back and tap on the file option. Select on any of the files over here, and let's just select a random file for now. So let's tap on it and then send it, and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So depending on the connection, it will be sent as soon as possible. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.